Hello everyone! Kumusta? Welcome to my channel! See how roomy this is? We can put cards here, ATM, debit, credit card. For today's video everyone, this is from uservice.ru company. Thank you so much uservice for your generosity in my channel. And this is my appreciation video for you uservice for being so generous in my channel. So I will be doing an unboxing and I will do a try on outdoor, of course. A little bit of information about this company, guys. This is another online store in the market which is carries all luxury replica product. Most likely they carries like purses, shoes, of course, clothes, and a lot of accessories, guys. Summer is here, so definitely you need one for this summer escapade. So uservice.ru is a good company. They do have a lot of product to offer, good deal, and very affordable though. Yes, they are very affordable. So these are some of the product they are selling in the market. You can please take a look so you can have an idea. And please don't forget to use my code, or that might help to put something on our table. How's that sounds, right? So yeah, especially now inflation is here big time, but that doesn't mean we have to stop our fashion. It's so fulfilling when we buy something for ourselves. You work hard so much, so it's about time for you to give a gift for yourself. I've been telling this always all the time. It feels great though. So yes, uservice has a lot for you guys to offer. Please go check and please use my discount coupon too at the same time. That will help lessen the price of this. Please go check in this description video. I have the company here indicated. Please go check. Thank you so much. And yeah, so without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. I am stuck too much here, okay? So let's begin the unboxing, okay? Ta-da! So please, careful when using sharp objects, okay? Let's begin the unboxing. Okay. Thank you so much for this. Okay. All right. So what do you think? What do you say? This is a never fall bag. This is very, this is a timeless kind design of purse. Truthfully, we can use this in any occasion. Isn't it pretty beautiful, no? So, okay, let's take a look inside, all right? So I got the red design in the inside of this, and I have one pocket inside, okay, with the zipper slides so perfectly. Oh, can you hear that? And smell just so good. You know that kind of smell that is a pricey smell that looks like very original. I know this is a replica, but this doesn't look like a replica really. The material is great though. So I got one here, little purse. Okay, so I here more detail. And this is the lock here. Okay, I'll take this off. So see how roomy this is in the inside. And as I've said, I have one pocket with the zipper slide on. See, that's how it looks in the inside, and this. And check the material. Everything is in the line. Stitches, what I'm saying. All right. So this one here, some prefer to do this way, to lock in here. Just a little design, something like that, and then same in the other side too. If you wish to do like that, locked design, It's all up to you. But for me personally, let's take a look on that design too, okay? We can do like this in these sides, okay? But personally, I choose to just do like this, you know, more simple, just like this. So to compare with like that and this, everything is my own opinion, so it's all up to your discretion which design you prefer to. But for me, I'd like to do the simple way, right? And yeah, so for the little purse here, we can use this separately, okay? So we will put this here, just put here, slide, and you know, hook this up in the D side here. I have here, okay, this one. So you can put like that, and safer, put that inside this, that is included in this purse. All right, and so for this, we can put our personal cards. This has a division of this, okay? We can put cards, money, receipt, and phone fit here, right? So yeah, this is the purpose of this, I believe so. And we can also use this separately. If in case you feel like using just this one, you can just use this one like this in going to somewhere, like for some errand, you can use this one just like this. If you don't feel like using this, we can use this one too. Either way, we can put cards here, ATM, debit, credit card, phone, money. So definitely this is functional too, right? And if you feel like using both, then that's great, right? Just don't forget to put this hook in, so it is more safer, you know. So yeah, just hook like that, and you are good to go in your shopping. What do you think? What do you say of this? This is beautiful though. I love Never Fall bag because this is season, like all season, timeless design. Thank you so much for this, you Starbiz, that are you so much for your generosity. 2 persons in a row. Thank you very much, big time, and I love it. I super love this design. As I've said, this is timeless design. I love it. So, what do you say? Let's try this outdoor. See me there, please. Thank you.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned.